I asked the question yesterday to my coworkers, if you were to have the best house ever, right? It's made to your liking. What is one non-negotiable that has to be there? And I'm not kidding. One said a jacuzzi pool, bathtub type of thing. Another said a 16-car garage. One said a zoo. One even says Target. We're not gonna talk about that. Um, but I asked that question to one of the servers, and he said his answer was a wife. May that wife find him soon, because he truly deserves it, if that's his answer. That was his only answer. I'm like, hey, may that wife find you, sir. May she find you.